You know how everyone has that one startup idea sitting in their notes? The one that you swear you'll build when you finally have time, or once you learn the right stack, or after you find a co-founder? But here's the thing, the best founders don't wait. They don't start with code, they don't start with a full project, they start with something way simpler, a single page. Some of the most successful apps you know were tested exactly this way. Founders put out a rough mock-up, a quick landing page, sometimes literally a fake prototype in Figma, just to see if anyone cared. And people did care, long before the product existed. So, in this video, I want to show you how to do the exact same thing. How to validate a startup idea fast, without stress, without overthinking, and without building anything more than one clean, simple page. Because if your idea resonates, that one page will tell you everything you need to know instantly. So first, you need to start with a clear hypothesis. Before you even touch a builder, you need to have a hypothesis. Just a single sentence, this solves X problem for Y audience, and they'll prove they care by doing Z. Some examples are remote teams struggle with communication, they'll join a waitlist for async tools. Another one is creators want invoices that don't feel like tax forms, they'll sign up to test it. This anchors everything. Without a hypothesis, you're not testing, you're guessing. Next, you need to build a one-page landing page. Now let's turn that hypothesis into something that real people can react to. You can use anything for this. You can use One-Page.io, Framer AI, Horizons, Notion. It genuinely does not matter. Speed matters more than tools. Your page only needs 4 things. A simple headline naming the problem, like stop losing customers because you reply too slowly. You need a clear value proposition, either 1 or 2 sentences explaining how your idea fixes that problem. Third, you need optional social proof or examples. Even just describing who it's for helps people self-identify. And then you need one primary call to action. Join this waitlist, email sign up, request early access. The goal is clarity, not design. Here is something that founders don't talk about enough. A lot of validation failures aren't actually idea failures, they're infrastructure failures. If your page loads slowly, people bounce. If it crashes during a Reddit spike, people never see it. Or if you hit a technical issue and end up spending the entire afternoon trying to fix hosting instead of learning from your experiment. This happens way more than you think, and that's why for tests like this, the quick landing pages, the early prototypes, I host on Kinsta. Kinsta offers managed hosting for WordPress. But here's the part that actually matters for builders like us. When your website is part of your business, when you're running waitlists, landing pages, or client sites, you don't want to be your own support team. Kinsta handles the hosting layer for you. Fast speeds, great uptime, enterprise-level security, and real human support 24/7. And they're not bots, they're actual WordPress pros who can help you solve through issues in just a few minutes. And just by switching, your site could run up to 200% faster. They're also one of the few providers with multiple enterprise certifications, which means your data stays safe. And it's not just me saying this. Over 140,000 businesses trust Kinsta with their websites, and G2 ranked them #1 in WordPress hosting. So clearly, a lot of people have made the switch after running into the same issues we all do. So if you're validating ideas, hosting client sites, or you just want your site to actually work, Kinsta helps keep everything fast, secure, and stress-free while you build. Scan this QR code and try Kinsta yourself. A validation page is a learning tool, not a brand statement. So if somebody reads your page and says, "Oh, I need this," you've already won. Next, you need to add an email form or a waitlist. This is the part that most people overlook. Your landing page needs to feel like one frictionless action. So why email? Because it's a real commitment, even if it seems small. A sign-up says, I have this problem and I want the solution. A tip here is to add an optional question like, what's your biggest frustration with said problem? You'll get incredibly honest user research before you've designed anything. So next you need to run a small controlled experiment. You don't need a launch plan, you just need a signal here. Here are 3 fast ways to get real traffic. Share your page in communities where your target users actually spend time there. DM 10 to 20 people who fit your audience and politely ask if this solves something for them. Spend $20 to $30 on micro ads to test messaging. You're not trying to blow up here, you're just trying to observe. A great benchmark here is if 100 people visit your page, you can get 5 to 10 signups. If yes, you've got something. If no, the information is equally valuable. Okay, so next you need to interpret what happens. This is where real insights show up. If signups come in steadily, you haven't validated the product yet, but you've validated the problem, the audience, and your ability to communicate value. That's enough to start building a simple MVP or running interviews. If nobody signs up, that isn't failure, it's clarity for you. Maybe the problem isn't painful enough. Maybe the messaging is off. Maybe you targeted the wrong audience. And learning that now instead of 6 months from now is the whole point. So to wrap things up, most founders spend way too long building in silence, when all you really need, especially at the beginning, is one signal. One page, one message, one action. Validate early, validate simply, and you'll save yourself months, sometimes years of unnecessary building. If you want to try any of the tools mentioned in this video, they're linked below. And if you want hosting that won't slow your experiments down, Kinsta is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.